ActivInspire software comes complete with a range of resources to help you quickly create dynamic lessons and activities. To access this repository of ready-made materials, go to your resource browser and select Shared Resources. Use backgrounds to quickly provide workspaces for students. For example, select from Papers to help students organize their thoughts on the active panel. To add a paper to your flip chart, simply drag it over to the flip chart page. Easily add grids to enhance your math lessons. Again, simply drag the selected resource onto your flip chart page. Once you begin exploring the ActivInspire resource pack, you will find it's full of icons, sounds, and even subject-specific resources. For help, or for more information regarding ActivInspire's shared resources, simply visit support.prometheanworld.com and search for Resource Pack. Another repository for existing resources can be found by selecting the Search Resources on Resource Library button. This takes you to the resource library within the My Promethean portal, where you can search for thousands of flip charts created by other educators and publishers. Preview a flip chart, download it, share it with colleagues, save it to organize your content, or open directly into ActivInspire. You may be prompted to sign in to My Promethean. Creating an account is free and easy. The ability to use and modify existing flip charts will save you valuable time.